Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I'm here with Ivan Rides. We're gonna switch bikes. We're gonna ride around the Lower East Side, and then he's gonna show me some Filipino food. So buckle up, we got a lot of ground to cover. It's gonna be a good one. Ivan's got this beautiful Super 73. It's got some Raid Dynamics covers on there. Double battery. Nice big bright headlights there in the front. This guy gets it, man. He color coordinated the logos on the tires with his paint job. I mean, this is the kind of shit I do too. The red shift light up pedals, those are dope. Ooh, these fenders look nice too. Those look like carbon fiber maybe. Got this cockpit here that I'm working with. Even the mirrors have a little blue tint. Very cool. I'm gonna take it for a little spin.
Yeah, man, go for it.
My second time ever riding one of these. It's super comfortable. We're gonna do some Filipino food. We're gonna get some sisig, some lumpia. You know, since Ivan's Filipino, he's gonna know if it's good or not. Ivan's gonna give the zoos a full breakdown. He's gonna give it a full review. First impressions, everything, speed tests, all of it. So it should be a lot of fun. And I'm gonna ride up on him right now so you can see what he's doing. Here we go. This has got some pickup, man. I like it. It's quick. It's quick. I can see why he beat me in that race.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah. So we're on Pitt Street. We're gonna head up to Houston, and hopefully Ivan's able to open it up a little bit up there. Oh, what's this? Carnival rides. Looks like they had a little fair over here. How's it going? It's working? That's good. All right, coming up on Houston Street here. This is Houston Street eastbound. We're going towards the FDR. This is a good spot for Ivan to open it up and get some speed runs in. And then when we come down from Houston along the FDR service road, that's another open area where he'll be able to get some speed in. All right, here we go. Speed 32. This got up to 32 quick. 33. That's awesome. This thing moves. This is a fun bike, I gotta say, man. Riding this has completely changed my opinion of Super 73. It's comfortable, it's quick, it handles nice. I like it.
How's the bike itself?
It's awesome, man.
Holding up?
Yeah, it's really a lot of fun.
With the new update, it's torture than people think.
Yeah, it's quick, man.
Yeah,
it's quick to like I got to 33 in like 5-6 seconds. All right, so I think it's right here. Yeah, we could probably bring these around that side.
You know, I thought I would be jarred by the no suspension.
It makes you alter your riding style. That's all.
I just come up a little bit, and that's it.
Yeah. Good. Here we are. We made it. Kalye. It means street. Awesome. Ivan's gonna guide my culinary experience today. I'm very excited.
I got you.
Just for the video.
Yeah.
Cheers. Nice. That feels good after that ride.
It's in the house.
Awesome.
You want to try it?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
absolutely. So I'm not. Oh my god, I love macaroni salad.
With that. All right. Lumpia. Did I say that right? Lumpia?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The camera has eaten, so you dig in whenever you're ready.
But yeah, I chased down the guy. I got the license plate. Hopefully.
That's crazy. I'm glad Andy's okay. I didn't know that happened. That's crazy. Oh, that's good. Definitely.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna go the plate for that.
Awesome.
Look at that crispy skin. Let's see if we run the... Yeah! Oh, there's the sisig, yeah. That stuff is the jam. Look, that pepper right on top. Awesome. Go for it. Nice. Nice. Cheers, man.
I gotta get the sun in there.
Holy crap. That looks sick.
Oh, with the light the way it is.
I like the layers at the bottom.
Oh. There's proper coconut in there, man. Destroy this thing.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
No, you're welcome.
Great day. I'll see you soon. What a meal. So we did the lechon, which was that crispy pork belly with the crispy skin on it, and the sisig, which is all different bits of pork served with rice. Before that, to start with the app, we did lumpia, which is like a little egg roll. Those were really good. Nice and light. They do everything there air fried, so it's not greasy or oily. For dessert, we did that ube soft serve ice cream. Absolutely delicious, with like some sweet mung bean and some grass jelly. All right, that's it. We did it. Around the Hood in 8 minutes, Super 73 review, and Kalye with Ivan Rides. Thanks for watching. Remember, Around the Hood in 8 minutes is only on Frantic TV.